What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Kikoff mobile app. Let's get straight into the video. First up, downloading and installing the app. What you want to do is to visit the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and just search for Kikoff and download the app. Now just install the app. Just follow the prompts to install the app on your mobile device. And second step is logging in and setting up your account. So now that you have the app installed, go ahead and open the app and then log in to your account. So you can just enter your Kikoff username and password to log in. Or if you're a new user, you could just follow the prompts to set up your account, including the verification process as well as the linking your bank account process. And now that you're in the app, here's how to navigate. The first thing you have is the dashboard, so you can just view your loan balance, payment schedules, and credit score all on the dashboard. You also have loan details, so you can access your loan details, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. You also have payment history, where you can view your payment history, including past payments and upcoming payments. You also have your credit score, so you can monitor your credit score and track changes over time. For making payments, which you can choose to schedule a payment, so just tap make a payment to schedule a payment, and then you can just select a payment method, such as link your bank account, or you could use your debit card, and then just review and confirm the payment details to make a payment. Now, a couple of additional features. You have push notifications, where you receive push notifications for payment reminders, loan updates, and credit score changes. You also have credit education, where you can access credit education resources, including articles, videos, and tips. You could also contact support, so you can contact Kikoff's customer support team through the app or by phone. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video on how to use Kikoff mobile app. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.